Welcome back to part 2 of the Mazda CAPELLA rebuild series. If you haven't seen part 1, go click on the link above and get caught up to why the hell this thing's looking like this. And I honestly don't know what I'm doing. But if you want to support the channel, help fuel builds like this, go ahead to the description, see all my affiliate links to all the products that you might need. It will really help the channel out a lot. Thank you guys and enjoy the episode. This is the worst door that I've had to do. The fender actually looked a bit worse than this. You can actually see how thick the body filler was over here. Rock hard, I can tell you that. But I started grinding all this stuff down and I made a mess of everything. But I just couldn't wait to have a go at this door. So let me just catch you up on what I've done so long. I've now sprayed the roof primer and that's about it. What I did was I sprayed the engine bay. That's done. So this is the finished color, which is the original. Close to at least. The slave cylinder for the clutch I still need to recondition or just buy a new one. But this is what I did yesterday. I thought I would cut a whole section out, but I didn't. Instead I just cut the middle piece out, repaint it, and then I'm gonna do a final pass with a welder when I'm done or happy with it. Those are the welds done. They don't look terrific, but you're never gonna see them. I'm just gonna grind them down and then smooth it out with some body filler and then ready for some paint. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I kind of screwed up this panel. I welded everything back together and everything looked great and all that, but I guess I still got too much ETO into it. Grinded it down a little bit and still checked if everything was level, and it's not that level. So if I could have gotten a new panel, I would have, because it happens, people screw things up. I screw things up. I make irrational decisions. Seeing as I can't get a new skin for this door, I can't get a new door or a second-hand door for that matter, I'm actually going to be body filling this. It's not that much to be honest, but it is a bit more body filler than I was hoping to put on. I'm actually just moving on to the fender for now. And there's like little low spots where I can probably try and get the dent out. Other than that, I welded a brace in at the back, just spot welded it in. Just to keep it like sturdy, I guess. I've got a light coat of body fill on here, but there's small bits on there still, so just want to fill that in. And there's some rust that I have to remove as well. Other than that, this fender should be good to go. The other one, this fender I still have to shape the front because there was some accident damage there and I couldn't get it 100%, so there's some filler on there. Okay, anyway, so that's about it. Let me show you this, guys. So this right front fender doesn't look great at the moment. I've done some shaping of the edges and just to get the general shape in, because this whole corner was smashed in. I welded a new piece in here, did some body filling and sanding, and this piece I still have to work down. It wasn't perfectly smooth, so I tried to bash it out as much as I could. So guys, that's going to do it for this video. I'm just going to go ahead and sand all the rest of the stuff to get it ready for paint off camera. Part 2, we will be sorting out everything around this car and getting it ready for paint. So hopefully all the sanding was worth it and that all the panels are straight as they should be, and when the primer goes on we don't have any issues afterwards. You guys will just have to stay tuned for that. So please subscribe. Why do I keep hearing noises? So please subscribe, and so please hit the subscribe. Please guys, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so you know when I'm posting, to get this thing even closer to being done and see my mishaps along the way.